acknowledge the meaningful demands of the Office of the President of Junior Chamber International Petaling Jaya, and conscious of the heavy responsibility and the honor associated therewith, hereby pledge myself to the utmost of my ability to devote my energy to the service of this organization and its members, to direct my efforts towards the training and development of the young people through more effective operation of my board of directors, to act at all times with due humility and dignity and without selfish and narrow motives, to endeavor throughout my term of office to contribute to the growth of progress of this organization and make this earnest pledge that I shall discharge my responsibility to the benefit of Junior Chamber International and the community. Powers vested in me under the Constitution and bylaw of JCI Petaling Jaya, Malaysia, I hereby proclaim you JCI members Joanne Cheah, the 31st President of JCI Petaling Jaya.